So hello guys, so how do you I want to show you how to withdraw param from Bybit. So you come mostly when you transfer param from MetaMask or any other wallet you use to Bybit, it will enter your funding wallet, like you can see funding wallet here. So it's on my funding wallet. You click on param. So actually I got 98 point something param. So we click on it. I want to transfer it, so I click on transfer. I want to send it to my spot account. So from my funding account to my spot account here. So I click on this icon to change it. So then I click on maximum here, and I click on confirm. So it takes some few seconds. Wow, so it's on my spot account now. Why do I move to spot account? I want to sell it. So it's on my spot account now, as you can see here. As you can see here now, it's on my spot account. So the next thing is, then I go to spot trading here, spot, as you can see, spot here. Then I click on let me just basically click on any of the icons. BTC, USDT. BTC is doing that, so I'll click on this. I'll click on this. Click on this. Then I'll search for param pair. So I'll click on param USDT, then spot, then I click on that. So as you can see, it's down a bit from 0.20. Then if I want to sell, I just click on sell. Click on sell. Change the limit to market here. I just did that here. Change the limits to market here. Then remove this cursor, since I want to sell all. Remove this cursor to the very end. So move it to move it to the very end and send it all. Then I click on sell. Then I click on sell. And voila. So with that now, I've sold. So where will you see my USDT? So you come to asset here. Come to asset here. Click on it. Then if you check your spots here, it would have gone to become USDT. So can you see that? So this is it. So this is it now, 9.73 for free. So guys, this is how to sell your param on Bybit. I hope if you find this video valuable, hit the like button and the follow button, the subscribe button rather, and also share to your friends. So bye for now.